come to see you.
To see me?
My name is Chief Dr. Don Odunze, Chairman, Stallion Group of Companies.
Please, whatever my daughter did, please forgive her.
I'm not the Don that you used to know. I can be very deadly.
I knew she was lying. I knew there was something she wasn't telling me, and we can come.
Everything has gone wrong.
I called my friend Victor to make my intentions known to the family about marrying your daughter Rita.
Did they need to come and destroy my sister's life?
What are you going to achieve by doing this?
Because Rita has made her choice. And you are not that choice. So just go.
If you just agree to be my wife, I'm going to throw you the biggest wedding that this town has ever witnessed.
Give me some time to think about it.
Think about the man that I can be for you. Think about your family. I am going to better their lot. I am going to give them a good life. The clothes on their back, good food on their table. Take them out of that shack where they live. Just accept.
If you don't tell me what you did to Charles today, you and I will die here today. You can't even tell when a man is no longer interested in you. That I needed more time and you agreed. Instead, you went behind me. She hates me.
I do not know what you're talking about. Neither do I appreciate your tone.
I will call the police. They will arrest him. They will beat him up. They will bury him. And that is the price you pay for trying to double cross me.
You messed with the wrong guy. You forgot who I am and who I represent.
I don't deal with PAs. I deal with bosses.
I mean, do you know who you are talking to?
You are just a cunning bat.
I trusted your intel. I trusted you every step of the way. You made me engage that girl's services, and now she has messed up.
Charles has been there for me since from Genesis. And our love is divine. God has sent us a good man.
I don't want to see you anywhere around my sister or my house or even my mother.
Can't you read the writing on the wall, my dear daughter, and walk away?
I'm intelligent. I can meet up to your company standard, whatever it is that you need.
I'll ask that you pen down your resignation.